In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent the title row from scrolling in Excel. If you work with spreadsheets that have headers at the top, this is a really useful feature to know. When you scroll down through a long sheet, the top row can disappear, which makes it harder to remember what each column represents. Freezing the top row keeps your title row visible at all times, so your worksheet is much easier to read and navigate. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the sheet where you want to keep the title row in place. Make sure the row you want to stay visible is the first row in the sheet. In most cases, this is where your column headers are located, such as names, dates, categories, or totals. Once your workbook is open, move your attention to the top menu and click the View tab. This tab contains several display and window settings that help you control how your spreadsheet behaves while you work. Inside the View tab, look for the option called Freeze Panes. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. This feature allows you to lock certain parts of the worksheet so they remain visible while the rest of the sheet scrolls. From the drop-down, select Freeze Top Row. As soon as you click it, Excel will apply the setting right away. You should notice a thin line appear just below row 1. That line is your visual confirmation that the top row has now been frozen. At this point, you can scroll down through your spreadsheet and row 1 will remain fixed at the top of the screen. This makes it much easier to keep track of your data, especially in larger worksheets with many rows. A helpful tip here is to quickly test it after turning the feature on. Just scroll down a little and confirm that your header row stays visible. If it does, then everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully prevented the title row from scrolling in Excel. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in readability and efficiency when working with data. If you regularly review long spreadsheets, this is one of those small Excel tricks that can save time and reduce confusion.